Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I created this charm using silicone mold, UV resin and dried up pressed flowers. Now this is part of the 30 Themes Resin Challenge, and the theme for this creation today is Flower Power. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start off with adding a thin layer of clear UV resin to the mold, and then we're going to take a needle tool and spread the resin so that it touches the edges of the mold. Then we're going to get our dried flowers and add them to our layer of clear UV resin. Once you're happy with the amount of flowers that you have, you can put it under the UV light to let that layer cure. Then we're going to repeat this process several times, and each time we're going to add in a different colored flower. Once we've finished adding all the flowers, we're going to fill up the remaining space in the mold with clear UV resin. Once it's cured under the UV light, you can remove it from the mold. If you've got a hole at the back of the piece like I do, then you can just add in some clear UV resin to fill it up. Next we'll add some UV resin to the back of a bale so we can place it onto the charm so you can turn it into a keyring or a necklace. And there you have it, our flower power charm is now all complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video and hopefully I'll catch you at the next one. Alright, bye!